Computer models tend to be used to create pretty images for presentations. But why? Why not use them as a powerful and interactive landscape design tool? My name is Mansoor Ma. I'm excited to be back this year at the CanWest Horticulture Expo 2019. In the landscape design process, 3D models are normally created towards the end of the process, mainly used for creating impressive presentation drawings and animations. Impressive is because the model itself reveals very important three-dimensional information of a design space in which two-dimensional master plans and section elevation drawings cannot achieve. In this workshop, landscape architects and landscape designers will learn how to create 3D working models and apply them early in the design process. Look around from different viewpoints, interactively grading and sculpting the site, test locations of design elements, plant materials, and shadow studies, as if you were standing at the site. Content of this one-day workshop is based on the 5-day full version.
Hi, my name is Amin, and I'm a near graduate from the Bachelor in Landscape Architecture program at the University of Guelph. The capstone project is probably the most important and significant project of the program. This project was a success due to the many things I learned in the 3D modeling workshop.
The workshop I took with Integrated Media 360 was by far one of the best educational experiences I've ever had. I was able to confidently grade and sculpt landscapes using SketchUp. The skills that I have learned in the workshop have allowed me to communicate my designs in a new and more complex way.
As landscape architects, we design 3D creations, but we learn to describe these ideas through the use of 2D graphics. Mansoor's SketchUp intensive workshop taught me the skills needed to create 3D models, and he introduced me to the benefits of actually designing in 3D.
I used what I learned in Mansoor's course to create a SketchUp model of the terrain on my site, and then I could understand it a lot better since it's 3D versus thinking about how my two-dimensional drawing would look in real life.
This is Vonnie, and this samples it's chosen from my capstone project. This is a project in Shenzhen, China, and it's a large landscape planning project. This workshop really gave me first step how to make a 3D model design.
His dedication to students is unlike any other professor that I've had throughout my academic experience. He was always there and committed to fixing every issue, whether it was technical or design or just functionality of the site. He looked at everything when he was looking at your work and provided any necessary comments. It was really helpful.
Bring your laptop computer and follow along an example with me from start to finish via large projection screens. Please sign up soon because seats are very limited. See you in the workshop at CanWest 2019.
Hi friends, my name is Suley Alkan. I'm Senior Landscape Architect, Urban Designer and Design-Based Project Manager for more than 15 years. I first met with Mansoor a year ago when I enrolled his amazing 2 courses. One of them was Integrated Media Workshop, the other one was 3D Modeling, Advanced Level 3D Modeling Workshop. Mansoor has just extensive, transitional, flexible and unique knowledge and style in the design communication process. I consider these 2 workshops as a milestone in my career.